How to enable dark mode on Bluesky Social. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can enable dark mode on Bluesky Social. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to enable the dark mode on your Bluesky Social, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. Head over to the home screen of the Bluesky application after you have successfully logged in into your account. After that, simply tap on the menu bar at the upper left corner. After tapping on it, you can find the settings option. Just tap on the setting option, and here you'll be finding different kind of option like account, privacy and security, moderation, content and media, appearance, accessibility, languages, and bunch of other options as well. So in order to change the Bluesky into dark mode, you just need to simply click on this appearance, and when you click on this appearance, you can see this color mode option. Just change it into dark and make this dark theme also dark to make it more darker. And just like that, your dark mode has been applied onto your Bluesky app. So when you go to your home screen, you can see that your dark mode has been applied. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to enable the dark mode on Bluesky application very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.